Today is Thursday, February the 6th, 2020. I am Julie Hankinson, and I wish to talk today about my concerns with the clinical trials of Remdesivir. It's a treatment for viral infections that will begin tomorrow in China. Now, we all realize that the coronavirus has been taking a massive toll on not only the population of China, but also an economic toll. Now, at this point, the death toll for China is almost 600, and they do not have enough test kits to actually have a confirmed amount of coronavirus cases. They have suspected an additional 25,000 cases, but again, without enough test kits to conduct an investigation, they can't confirm all of these cases. Now, this is important because China is actually taking the time to patent this method, this treatment. And it was produced by Gilead Sciences, and this licensing agreement would then give them an amount of the fees if this is patented upon showing that it is making a substantial difference in the treatment of the coronavirus. So this patent filing, it has to prove that the drug works differently from how it works on other viruses. So we know this is an antivirus drug, but it has to show that it affects the coronavirus differently. Now, how much of a difference? I don't know. Is it a very small thing, or is it a major impact? I have not been able to see where there is a difference in that regard. But I have to, on one hand, applaud the audacity of this move, that they are getting 500 of these doses from Gilead and beginning this clinical trial tomorrow. However, on the other hand, it's extremely worrying, almost Nazi-like, that when there were the experiments on the Holocaust victims, and they had no say, they were just experimented on. And while there have been lab studies on this drug, these will be the first human trials, and that is extremely concerning. On the one hand, as a mother, if it was a life and death situation for my child, would I be willing to, subject my child to this treatment? Definitely. I mean, even in the United States, we have ways of pushing through drugs through the FDA approval process if it is a life or death situation. On the other hand, I don't know, the audacity of China just capitalizing on the suffering of their people. I don't know. I just really am torn between the back and forth on this. Currently, they have two drugs that they've been looking at in clinical trials. One is the Remdesivir, and this is the one that they did file already for a patent on. And the other is an 80-year-old malaria drug. It's chloroquine. And again, both of them have been able to, in the lab, make a difference, have an impact on the coronavirus. So what I would like is for you all to please comment and please share. And as long as your comments are respectful, I will just leave them there for everyone to read, because I feel that this is an important conversation that we need to have, because these 500 people are being elevated to guinea pig status. And we don't know what the effects will be. Will they survive the treatment itself? Will it send them into recovery? Or will it create different symptoms that will kill them? We don't know. Again, this trial starts tomorrow, and China has filed for the patent on this medication, on this treatment for viral infections, and the patent specifies that it needs to prove the drug works differently than it does on other viruses. So I've got two questions here. What is the ethical dilemma here that we're showing? And also, what do we use as the definition of working differently than other drugs? Is it something very small, like a change in the RNA? Or is it complete eradication of the coronavirus? So please do like and please subscribe so you'll be kept up to date on the posts and the comments. And I really appreciate your thoughts and your feedback on this. Thank you.